Fixing error 504 involves checking a few key things. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. Restart your router and try again. Temporarily disable any VPNs, as they can sometimes interfere with connections. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to make sure Minecraft isn't being blocked, specifically port 443 for HTTPS. Ensure your game is up to date, as outdated versions can cause authentication issues. Clear your game's cache if you're on a mobile device. As of late 2025, Microsoft has optimized authentication flows, but if problems persist, check Mojang's server status on Down Detector or their official forums. Often, the issue is server-side and resolves itself after a short wait, especially during peak hours or after big updates like the 2025 Trails and Tales expansion. If the problem continues for an extended period, contacting your internet service provider might be necessary to rule out any network issues on their end.